welcome to this new AutoCart tutorial. Today, we'll look at how to offer a gift product to customers who have bought at least 3 products from a specific collection in our store. It will be automatically added to their cart. Let's get started. First, click the Create New Rule button at the top right, and then decide where to add the product, either in the cart or at checkout. For this example, we'll add it to the cart and select Store Automation. There is no need for a Shopify Plus account. Now, let's add the condition we want, which is by choosing Collection of Product in Cart. With this condition, we define that at least 3 or more products from this collection must be selected and added to the cart. Perfect. Next, we select the product to add automatically to the cart and choose the variant we want. Here, we can decide whether to discount a specific amount from the product price or apply a percentage discount. Since we want to offer it for free, we leave 100% discount, making the product complimentary. Remember to enter a title, as it's a mandatory field. Once entered, you'll see that saving the rule becomes possible. Returning to the dashboard, the rule is already active. Keep in mind that the button next is Keep Alive button, which ensures the gifted product remains in the cart with the discount applied, even if the conditions are no longer met. So be aware of it when you create your own rule. Now let's see how the rule works in the store. As you can see, the cart is empty. Let's go ahead and purchase a product from the collection we selected and nothing happen. I add product that are not from the collection and nothing happen, but if I add others products as specified in the rule from the same collection, you'll see that the cart automatically includes the gift product we selected. If we remove one of those products from the cart, the gift is also removed. Add a gift product based on products from the same collection with just one rule. It's very easy now with AutoCart. Now is your turn to use AutoCart to add products and gifts to your customer's cart automatically. And remember, if you need assistance, our support team is available to help you.